and this is a back plate from the LLUVIA. Coming on to the left hand side part of this is broken again here at the tip at the end of this, and again here few wings which is broken here. Is the right hand side. So again in the right hand side again, see here it's broken down there, and here it's broken down. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Still editing Gujarat episodes, more on the way, but in this meantime I wanted to say about this, so that is what I am here. If you haven't watched all those previous Gujarat episodes, that's there in the card. The entire episode is there in the card, that's coming there down there now right now. I hope you guys are watching my Gujarat episodes. I wanted to put this in between because after the Gujarat trip now, and we dismantled few things for service as usual. So this is 2021 Dominar 400. I just wanted to give a detailed review video of this bash plate from LLUVIA. If you folks are wanted to buy one, do watch this video completely and then have a mindset to buy this. And this is a bash plate from the LLUVIA. So I've dismantled all these 4 parts now. 1 2 3 4 is 4 parts. This is the left hand side, and that's the right hand side, and this is the bottom plate. So this the bottom plate, how it looks like after 1 year. The corrosion from the silencer hot pipe has been already, so this has not taken much of those impressions from the roads. You can see this now and the vinyl. So just a general scores and scratchings is all that is got up down there, right? No much deeper in grooves or much deeper hard bash plates or bashes taken. So coming on to the left hand side part of this is, you see this, there's a broken piece here, there's again a torn piece here, and few design flaws here is broken again here at the tip at the end of this, and again here few wings which is broken here. So this is broken down here. I just contacted LLUVIA, those guys haven't replied yet, but few things before that. This is a secondary or the second batch plate which I have received from LLUVIA. The first one also had the same issues of tone and all those things. The main issue behind this dismantling is all these tone wings is been generating the vibrations now. Just as this is tone, right, this keeps vibrating at this edges now. I have no option to either weld this and put it back because this LLUVIA folks are not replying to my messages. I had got back to them, but they are not replying now. So this is the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So again in the right hand side again, see here it's broken down there, and here it's broken down. Already I spoke a bit detailing about this product and the design. See the design here. The issue is they say that they have tested their product, the design doesn't have any flaws, or they have tested rigorously or whatever it is, but this is just a general touring. This is what I do with this. So, and few off-roads as you people have seen in my previous videos, just general. So if something had to go on that underneath, so this had to take all those bashes, but that doesn't have any issues, while this side plates has. This is broken due to the vibrations itself. I am 100% true or fact with that itself. See, only the edges which has a thinner wall has broken, but coming on to the thicker walls, see this is not broken. See here, it's not broken here because it has a wider and thicker walls, right? So again, see here, this is already been started cracking down here, and this is already broken. This is also broken. This is thinner, it's already broken now. So this is a very small wall thickness. This is already broken, right? So this is what happens with the LLUVIA bash plate if you take for the Dominar, and these guys don't give a proper reply or whatever it is. So do think on it if you want to really invest on this. All this is the jugards that you have to do now. Either I have to weld it. Welding is not an option, but still left with no other options to protect the underneath of the chassis or the engine belly. This side, left hand side, is a magnetic coil, right hand side is a clutch cover. Again the silencer pipe, and the water sump. All those things are coming there down itself very exactly. If I had to protect all those, this is the only option that I have left now with. I don't know where I threw my holder, but that is also broken. I mean the which came with the stock, I'm not replacing it because it's already broken a while ago itself. 100% relay on this itself. I have no other option. So either this is to sit on welding. I don't know what to do, but I think we have to rebuild this with some other design, making it much thicker on the walls, right? If I say them that this design is not good, those people in fact join in conversation saying that their design is already tested, done that, done this, all those things. I'm not, so I do not want to get into an speak or talk there. So this is what it happens. So do think before investing. But before a while also I'm saying you, I had got a black colored same thing 1 year before. So I'm very clearly expressing each and everything what we had done with LLUVIA itself. So 1 year before this we had taken a black one, so that was also broken. They send a replacement with the non-black. I have asked them to send this a non-black because aluminum doesn't have any reactions with the, just like iron or something getting rusted or something. Aluminum doesn't have that issues as such. But see this part, right, the black one which was a previous, this is a black color. So this entire portion had it's like torn away, or it was happened like this in the previous one. So they made this 1 year before, and this is also with the same condition. Now again all broken edges. So this is what I would like to say about the LLUVIA batch plate. This should be a true review, as you would not be seeing anybody else giving a true review as this. So I hope this video helps you in planning an LLUVIA's batch plate now. So it's better not late, not getting into troubles. Do have a peace riding, and always keep some good things coming on your way. I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Peace. If you would like to watch more such videos and such contents about biking and all those things, keep supporting us always. Peace. Bye.